How to buy crypto on SafePal. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are on a hunt for an easy way to buy crypto using SafePal, here is how you do it. First of all, launch open SafePal application on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on the buy button at the top of the screen, and then you'll see this different tabs over here on the page. Right under pay, select your currency first, and then right under estimated receive, select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Once you do that, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you are trying to receive and the amount you are willing to pay. Once you do that, even after typing down the amount you are willing to pay, you'll be able to see the calculated amount of cryptocurrency you'll receive with this payment. Once you do that, go to the next field and tap on Payment Method and select your payment method you'd like to use for this transaction. Choose from any one of them and click on Buy. Now follow through the on-screen instructions. If you haven't completed your KYC, then you'll need to do that right now. For buying and selling crypto, you'll need to complete your ID verification. Follow through the instructions and you'll be able to purchase a crypto on SafePal. So that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.